Did you know that by earning with Shipt, qualified independent contractors can receive funds to be used towards things like health insurance and retirement? These funds are called portable benefits, and depending on the program in your state, can also be used towards childcare, emergency savings, or even paid time off. With portable benefits, Shipt can contribute funds to qualified accounts based on earnings. Once your account is set up, you'll receive details on how to redeem, categorize, or transfer your funds. It's flexible, easy, and entirely in your hands. Whether you're planning for the future or covering essentials today, the choice is yours. Portable benefits are all about giving you more options, more security, and more control over your future while keeping the flexibility you love. Take it from Mindy, who's already using portable benefits.
I have used my portable benefits to create a long-term savings and to pay regular bills. Other workers can definitely use it for things like childcare. Automobile maintenance in our line of work is a big thing. Having extra benefits available from a portable benefit program. We have flexibility in our jobs, we have flexibility financially, and the option to pick and choose what applies to me is just wonderful.
At Shipt, we are invested in your success. Start earning toward your benefits today